Welcome to TAM Studios. My name is Talin Ravinder Singh, a technical account manager based in India. Today, I will be reviewing the SCORM 1.2 Learning Standard Conformance. So let's get started. Many customers have a library of content they have created in authorizing tool or required from external content providers. Most often, this content is packaged as a learning management system industry standard to allow for import into various systems. Customers can then leverage the reporting and assessment benefit of Genesys Cloud regardless of where their content was generated. Genesys Cloud now supports the SCORM 1.2 e-learning standard, allowing programmers to host SCORM 1.2 package and create engaging workforce management code. This improvement enables learning administrator to combine Genesys Cloud existing features such as rich text, content management, and assessments with the SCORM 1.2 packages to develop their personalized learning solution. Please note this feature requires one of the following subscription and it requires one of the following role permissions have to be enabled. For admin role and the performance admin role, please follow the permissions accordingly. To add a SCORM 1.2 package to the module, there are few steps that need to be followed. The first step, under Model Creator, click the Content tab and click the Add Content and choose the SCORM 1.2 option and then enter a content display name and a description. Once you enter the content display name and description, under SCORM 1.2, upload a SCORM 1.2 package in the compressed format. .zip file is supported. To preview the content in the new tab, click on the Save and Preview tab to review the content that you enabled on the learning management system. To preview the content module, click on the Preview module. And to publish the content, click Save and Publish to publish the external learning module content. Please note, you can only use SCORM 1.2 package. Other versions are not compatible with the Genesys Cloud. To learn more about SCORM, please visit the official documentation on the SCORM webpage. Let's do the quick demo and how it functions. I'm in my sandbox under admin. Click on the learning module system. Under the performance and engagement, click the development and feedback. There is already some learning module have been created and published. Let's create a new module. I'll create this learning with assessment. You can also create without the assessment. Give a name. SCORM test 5, for example. And then give the description. Select the recommended completion date. So let it be 30. As we are doing a demo, let it be there. And minimum hours, 1 hour. Based on the document preparation, you can keep it. Give a cover page so that it will be attractive. You can select the cover page from your local folder. I'll take one of the image here and then click allow review of assessment results. So by viewers and by assignee. Next is the main important thing is to have the content. Click on the content page, add content. So earlier we had the URL rich text. Now we have the SCORM 1.2. Click on the SCORM 1.2. Give a name. Give the description. Under the SCORM 1.2 package, you need to select the package that you have to download from the SCORM webpage. Or you can create the SCORM webpage document and then you can have the .zip file added to the SCORM 1.2. So let's add that. To add the SCORM 1.2, press the plus button. It will pop up a window. Now you need to download only the .zip file. So I have already one downloaded in the local folder. I'm selecting that, open it. It takes some time to upload. So let's wait for the uploading. Okay, now it's uploaded. The next one is to give the assessment. So under the assessment, giving just a simple question group. Have you learned the module something? And then I'll have the question here, yes or no. Maybe I can have the same question asked here. Have you learned all the modules? And then I'll say done, done. Auto assign, you can assign the module to the users. So here you can include or exclude. I'm going to include. You can include via ACD skills or division wise, group wise, queue wise. I'm going to add it through queue wise. So let me take the queue as SR as a wise queue. That's my queue. So these all the 18 agents members belongs to this queue. Before I save it, we have an option to save and preview, save and publish. So let's do a save and preview to see whether the content is good. When I click that, it pop-ups a new window where the cover page I gave, it comes visible. So click on the preview module. So we have the lesson here to go through each and every one. So now it's good to save and publish. So publish the module will allow assignment to be allotted to this module. Any user currently assigned to this module where it has not already been started will be assigning the session. I have read that and I'll say accept. SCORM test 5 is assigned. This is how we assign the module to the agents. So once it is assigned, so it will go to the agents accordingly. And then agent have to go through the module and complete the sessions. Let's quickly check on the agent part. I'm in the agent screen. So under the overview tab, under the assigned module, you can see that its quorum 5 is assigned to the agent. So let's click on that. It takes us to the another window for the agent to complete the module. So you start the module and then go through one by one. You can see the progress of the learning module at the bottom of the screen. 19% is completed now. Let me end the learning module. I'm in the end of the module. So when I click the next button, so it will take me to the assignment. And under the assignment, have you learned all the modules? I say yes. So once I say yes, module completion is 100%. So when I press next, so I have reached the end of the assignment. Click the complete button to finalize. So when I click the complete button, I said submit, then I get congratulations, you passed the module score of test 5 and my score is 100%. And you can also review the results. So the result is correct. And that's all for the SCORM test module for the learning module, external learning module. Thank you for watching. Please comment below or email us any question at tamstudio@genesys.com.